So I guess just to give you a little bit of a background, I work as an occupational therapy assistant on our private ward where we mainly deal with neuro-rehab and orthopedic rehab, as well as reconditioning for a lot of other chronic illnesses as well. So I thought I might give you 3 very different examples just to show you the diversity of type of clients that we've used the SMARTfit with. So the first example we have is Kin. He was admitted with a background of Parkinson's disease, and I've also added his goals there as well, which was to improve his mobility, balance, and his speech and communication. So the game that I gave him just on this instance was I guess, low-level cognitive game of just tracking the target. And we also utilised practicing his speech skills here. So he was counting out his reps out loud. And we also thought we'd use the noodle as well, just to try and promote those high amplitude movements. You can see he's seated initially in this game here, just because his balance was very poor. So we thought we'd just target sitting balance first. And when he got used to it, we did try the same game in standing. Next example is Helen. So she had a previous spinal cord injury. You can probably see just by the picture there as well, the setup was a little bit different because she had a quite severe pressure injury. So we had to lower the board so that she could reach it whilst she still had her leg elevated. In terms of the SMARTfit game here, and her goals, she wanted to improve her upper limb strength and endurance. So she's playing a more high level cognitive game, the track left, right, both. And we used the free weights here to focus on her upper limb strength and endurance, as well as increasing the time frame of the actual game. And then lastly, we have Cecile. So she was one of our recon patients, and her goal was to improve her mobility, balance, and cognition. So she's playing a more challenging cognitive games, which is Seek the Letter. And this activity incorporated a sit to stand task as well. So we're also focusing on not only her cognition, but building up her lower limb strength as well. So just to quickly add as well to finish off, we recently put together a client feedback survey for the clients to complete at the end of their admission. So the aim of this survey was for therapists to evaluate how useful and effective the SMARTfit is when combined with other daily therapies during a client's rehab. So by looking at a lot of the feedback that we've gotten so far, I think it's safe to say that a lot of the SMARTfit sessions have helped the clients to achieve their goals, and it made a positive contribution to their overall rehab experience.